REDU is a provider of vocational education here in Lapland. Our operating area covers all of Lapland across multiple fields. You could say that we offer almost every field except agriculture. Our mission is to keep Lapland vibrant. We want to stay one step ahead in developing skills and vitality. One goal was to consider what equipment we should acquire and what the simulation-related project could bring to the automotive sector.
The need to find a solution through Seabery actually came from other fields, where existing simulator environments were already in use. That led us to think about what kind of solutions we could bring into automotive education. The goals I set for the collaboration with Seabery were essentially that we would get equipment that works from start to finish in a way that does not create too many challenges for our teaching staff during implementation. In other words, it must not be too difficult. It has to make it possible to teach basic level instruction with it. And students need to be able to use the equipment independently.
Automotive painting is very much a hands-on craft. So learning in it happens continuously through practicing manual skills, and you cannot learn it any other way than by doing it. With Seabery's simulators, you can do far more repetitions during the day than with spray painting alone. We have been able to make learning more effective. In a normal VR simulator, it is difficult for the teacher to explain how to start painting because the student is in their own world, and you just have to try to explain verbally what the student needs to do. With this simulator, we can bring the practice surfaces next to us and show the student, spray like this and like this. I can show the distance with my hands, and the student can start painting right away without having to take the headset off.
New technology interests young people much more than these old methods. Maybe they also become more interested in the field when they get to explore it more closely. Our experiences with simulators in general have been very good. They make it much easier to get started in teaching than would otherwise be possible. They really make the training much easier. The number of repetitions can be unlimited. We can increase the amount of technique practice for the students. The students are very satisfied with it. We can first teach them the theory before they move on to practicing. They like to compete a little because this kind of device can also verify who achieves the best scores. They are very interested and want to practice with it a lot.
For educational institutions considering the use of this kind of technology in their own teaching, my message to them is, be brave. It is possible to get good preliminary information and to try out the equipment. They are now at a level where they genuinely bring value as part of teaching.